carry the 1 multiplied by pi to the 6th decimal place, and then subtract the speed of sound in seawater? It's Tom! Hi friends, it's Tom. And in today's short video, we're going to talk about 2 equations that can make your life easier. Wait, so you're going to talk about math? Well, this video is going to be popcorn worthy. I promise we won't do too much math, but these 2 equations can help on your journey through life. The first one, I guarantee that you've heard, and I'm willing to bet you probably have said. The problem is, most people only repeat 2/3 of the full equation. And that equation starts with time equals money. But what does time and money both equal? Time equals money equals freedom. If you have a certain amount of money, then you have freedom from worrying about your mortgage or your rent. Whether you have enough to buy food, have a good time. It also gives you the freedom from extreme worry if you or someone in your household loses their income. And if you have enough time, well, now you can find other ways to make an income, develop a hobby, spend time with people you like, and maybe even learn to play the trombone. Thing is, most people spend the majority of their year toiling and hoping to scrape together enough to maybe spend 2 weeks of freedom, 2 weeks of time at the House of the Mouse or some such. And a lot of people, and I'm willing to say everybody, yes, everybody's working for the weekend.
Try to get that song out of your head now.
Basically, people have resigned themselves to trudging and toiling through work and through life, just hoping for the chance to maybe have some time and money to do something they possibly want to do in the future. But what if you could find work that didn't feel like a grind? How freeing would that feel? Keep in mind that money is not the only currency at your disposal. You also have time and freedom, all 3 of which you can spend, invest, and share.
Would you look at that? It's time for an anecdote, and I don't even have a segue prepared.
A couple of years ago, an ambitious young co-worker,
Young enough that his eyes thought this looked old,
came to my desk asking for some career advice as he wanted to advance. I asked him what his biggest asset was. He paused for a moment and he said with a straight face, "My work ethic." I laughed pretty hard, probably too hard. And he asked me what was so funny. I said, "Look, everybody has a work ethic. And it's presumptuous of you to think that your work ethic is so much stronger than everyone else's." And we shared an awkward silence.
It was only awkward for him. I was kind of loving the moment. Is that wrong?
He looked skeptical and he said that he didn't know exactly what I wanted him to say. I let him off the hook. I said, "Look, your youth gives you time." Then I asked him what time plus effort equals. He paused again, and I told him time plus effort equals results. I explained to him that if he wanted, he still had 4 decades left in his career. And I added that he certainly wasn't afraid of hard work, and the combination of time plus the effort always gives results. And if you put enough effort forth over a long enough time, you will absolutely get results. Time plus effort equals results. That equation works no matter what. Whether you're starting a business, trying to grow your income or your career, getting in shape, or learning to speak French. By the way, that guy, he's going places. He already got a promotion. And if you enjoyed this video, were somewhat informed, entertained, maybe a little inspired, then take a little bit of time and effort to help give this channel some results by hitting the like button, subscribing, sharing, leaving a comment. You know who I am. It's Tom, and we'll see you next time.